Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this makeup look. It's a neutral eye with a pop of colour and the tear duct. If you want to achieve this makeup look, then please I'm going to be using the Revolution X Soph makeup pigment palette, and I'm going to use the I'm going to use these two shades, this one and this one. And I'm just going to use the same brush and then layer the eyeshadow. That's just the one colour, and that was just using that one there. And I'm just gonna layer it, but more so on the outer corner, which is this colour here. So I'm just gonna go slightly underneath the brow bone there, but more so on this outer corner. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it louder now. That's what it looks like there. I am going to use a different brush just to go slightly underneath the eye. I'll just use a little shader brush. This is a brush from Revolution, but it's from a limited edition collection. So I'm just going to mix those two shades again, really close to the lash line. Now I'm going to put the pop of colour in the inner corner, and I'm going to use the Patricia Bright palette, and I'm going to use the Never Say Never colour. I'm going to use the Real Techniques accent brush, so I'm just going to pack it on there because it's tiny. Now I'm just going to finish up with mascara, eyeliner in the waterline, and bronze, blush and highlight. I'm just using an Avon Mark waterproof Kohl eyeliner. Contour using the Revolution Ultra Contour palette, and I've got my colour in the light shade. I mean, I've used it to death. It's disgusting, but I love it. So I'm just gonna do that now. Then I'm going to use the powder brush just to blend that out at the bottom. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. So I've decided not to put any blusher on, just because I've got colour on me on my eyes already. So I'm just gonna mix some highlighters and put that on my face instead. Rimmel London Eastend Snob lip liner, and then the MAC Mocha lipstick. That's a bit too matte, so I'm going to put some lip gloss on over the top of that. The Avon Mark lip gloss. And then I'm going to finish off the look by using some Urban Decay setting spray.